Welcome to the Space Tech channel. Never miss latest space happenings by subscribing to this channel. With recent Ukraine-Russia conflict, NASA is exploring ways to keep the International Space Station in orbit without Russian help, but doesn't see any immediate signs Moscow is withdrawing from the collaboration after the invasion of Ukraine. The US side of the International Space Station, ISS, supplies power and life support. Russia is responsible for propulsion and keeping the station afloat. It does this by using docked Progress spacecraft to periodically give the station a boost, to maintain its altitude of approximately 400 kilometers, 250 miles. Last week, Russia's Roscosmos space chief, Dmitry Rogozin raised the prospect of pulling out of the partnership, in response to US sanctions. Kathy Lueders, who heads the agency's human spaceflight program, said US aerospace and defense company Northrop Grumman had offered a reboost capability. And, our SpaceX folks are looking at can we have additional capability, said Kathy Lueders. Lueders added that operations at the space station were proceeding nominally and we're not getting any indications, at a working level that, our counterparts are not committed. That said, we always look for how do we get more operational flexibility, and our cargo providers are looking at how do we add different capabilities, said Kathy Lueders. The last Northrop Grumman Cygnus cargo vessel that arrived at the ISS on February 21 was the first to boast a capacity to reboost the outpost without Russian help. On Friday, SpaceX boss Elon Musk tweeted his company's logo in response to Rogozin's rhetorical question about who would save the ISS from an uncontrolled deorbit. But Lueders stressed that such plans were a contingency measure only. It would be very difficult for us to be operating on our own. ISS is an international partnership that was created, with joint dependencies, said Kathy Lueders. As a team, we are looking at where we may have operational flexibilities, but it would be a sad day for international operations if we can't continue to peacefully operate in space, said Kathy Lueders. A symbol of post-Cold War détente, the ISS has been continuously habited for more than 21 years and has weathered past geopolitical storms, notably Russia's invasion of Crimea in 2014. But some observers believe the invasion of Ukraine could hasten the demise of US-Russian space cooperation. The Russian space agency Roscosmos is stopping all Soyuz rocket launches from Europe's spaceport in French Guiana, due to European Union sanctions on Russia's invasion of Ukraine. In response to EU sanctions against our enterprises, Roscosmos is suspending cooperation with European partners in organizing space launches from the Koura Cosmodrome and withdrawing its personnel, including the consolidated launch crew, from French Guiana, Roscosmos chief Dmitry Rogozin said in a Twitter statement. Let's hope the space journey continues. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe for more such content.